Hey, what's up guys? So in this video we will see how to enter on Fastboot mode on the Samsung Galaxy A17. Now to do that, first of all just use the charging cable of your Samsung phone, then connect one end of your charging cable to your laptop and connect the other end of your charging cable to your smartphone. Now you don't have to do anything on your laptop. After you do that, now just press the power button and the volume down button at the same time until the screen of your Samsung phone goes black. Once the screen of your Samsung phone goes black, just press and hold the volume up button and the power button at the same time until you see the Samsung logo on the screen. And once you see the Samsung logo on the screen, just release both of these buttons. Now as you can see, we have successfully entered into recovery mode. Now to enter into Fastboot mode, just press the volume down button and select Reboot to bootloader and press the power button to confirm this action. And once you do that, you will enter into Fastboot mode, just like that. Now if you want to exit Fastboot mode, just press and hold the volume down button and the power button at the same time. And once you see the Samsung logo, just release both of these buttons. And this is how you can enter to Fastboot mode on the Samsung Galaxy A17. Make sure to like, comment and subscribe. Thank you for watching.